Hello friends, here we are going to discuss planning scheduling management. We are already discussed that what is schedule management. Schedule management is nothing but the process we have to complete the customer's requirement, client requirement within their schedule, so that the customer can access their product or deliverables on time. So now next one is planning scheduling management. Scheduling schedule management plan require thinking proactively before executing the project. It involves thinking through several points. There are different processes are available to schedule management plans. Okay, there are different points are available. First one is individuals involved in scheduling process. How many resources are available? You have to think about that. Next, the approach required to plan a schedule of the process. What kind of approach is to be considered out to plan a process? Use of organizational process and procedures. What kind of organization is to be considered out to complete your schedule? Tools used for scheduling. Yes, very this is very important topic or concept. What kind of technique is to be considered for implementation of a given task? There are different tools and techniques are available. Later we are going to discuss these things. The techniques are, the tools and techniques are PERT, that is program evaluation review techniques, critical path method, Gantt chart, work breakdown structure, responsibility matrix, or what we can say that also called as linear responsibility chart. We will discuss these things in later. Next point is method to manage and control the project, to schedule baseline and manage any deviation or any differentiation. What kind of method is to be applied? Now next, plan schedule management is the process of establishing the policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, developing, and managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule. What is the planning schedule management? It is the process of establishing the policies or process or functions and documentation for planning, developing, and managing, executing, the controlling of a project on the schedule. In other words, what we can say that planning schedule management is nothing but the process. It is aimed to ensure the timely completion of a project. We already discussed these things. We have to complete or we have to satisfy the customer requirement on time. Next, plan schedule management process provide guidance and direction on how a project schedule will be managed throughout the project. So that is for planning schedule management. In next lecture we are going to discuss project scheduling with resource constraint, resource labeling, and resource allocation. Okay, thank you so much.